Hi, welcome to another video in the Quick Fix series. Today you will learn about would have and wouldn't have in English. So let's get started. Would is a modal verb and we use it to talk about the past. We use it with have and a past participle. Or in the negative we have wouldn't have plus the past participle. For example, I would have left earlier if I had known I was going to miss the train. This is a third conditional sentence used to talk about something that did not happen in the past. It is an imaginary past, almost as if you are imagining a different past. You didn't leave earlier. If you want to see a lesson about the third conditional, you can click the link above now, up here. Or in the negative, I wouldn't have got this job if I hadn't met Mr. Smith. So you are imagining your life if you hadn't met Mr. Smith. But you did meet Mr. Smith, so you got the job. Or, if it had been a little warmer, we would have gone for a swim. But it was cold, so we didn't go for a swim. Or in the negative, if he had texted her, she wouldn't have replied. Here you didn't text her, but if you had, you imagine that she wouldn't have replied. The second use of would have and wouldn't have is as the past tense form of will have and won't have. We use will have when we are looking back from a point in time in the future. By the end of the year, scientists will have discovered a cure for the coronavirus. Let's hope so, fingers crossed. So on a timeline, this is now and this is the end of the year. And sometime before the end of the year, scientists will have discovered a cure for the coronavirus. It could be here or here, but sometime before the end of the year. Or looking back from the present, look at the time the match will have started. So here on a timeline, we are looking back from now and the match will have started sometime before the time of speaking, before now. So would have and wouldn't have is as the past tense form of this will have. So for example, I phoned at 6 o'clock. I knew he would have got home by then. So on a timeline, you phoned in the past and you are looking back to an earlier past, sometime before the time you phoned, he would have got home. Or, it was 5:30. Dad wouldn't have finished work. So let's look at that on a timeline. Here is 5:30 in the past, and any time before that, he wouldn't have finished work. In other words, Dad was still working at 5:30. So that's it for now. I hope you feel more confident with would have and wouldn't have in English. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English. It really helps people to find the channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new free English language videos. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when any new lessons come out. So bye for now and see you very soon. Bye bye.